Hello children, so welcome to aimsindia's online classes. Today from physics subject, fundamentals of physics topic we are going to discuss. So okay, children, so our today's concept, physics and its scope. Physics and its scope. So the word physics is taken from the Greek word physikos, which means natural. Means it is the science of nature in a broader sense. The science about nature is called physics, according to the word physikos. So physics study the behavior and interaction of matter and force. Matter and force. So you know about matter, children. We have matter in different forms: solids, liquid, gases. So in physics we study about matter and the force acting between the matter, different forms of matter. Suppose if you observe this, so this is an atomic model. So there so many atoms are there, so many molecules are there. So they will be moving in some orbits. So they will move like that because of some forces. Studying about this atom and studying about the forces which are making them move around in the orbits is called physics. So here two particles, they are moving away from one another. Two objects or two atoms, they are moving away from one another. So what is the force behind them? Studying that is called physics. Or here we have a magnet. Here we have a magnet which is rotating or which is oscillating this side and that side. Along with the magnet, this ball also moving or oscillating this side and that side. So because of what force they are oscillating? Here magnet is a matter. Their oscillation is because of some force. Or here, due to gravitational force, the apple is falling down. So studying about the apple and the force is called physics. So in physics, we study about matter and we study about force. Okay, next. So the laws of physics are generally expressed as mathematical relations, like E equal to mc square. So where E is energy, m is mass, c is speed of light, they are combined. This energy, mass, speed of light, these all physics quantities combined with the help of equality sign like a mathematical relation. So the laws of physics are generally expressed using mathematical relations. So the branch of physics can be defined as study of matter and energy. Means the branch of science which deals with matter and energy is called branch of physics. So physics is the study of matter. Means mainly in physics we study about the substance from which this whole universe is made and how it relates to different forms of energy in the nature. So mainly about that the physics will study. So this is the universe, how this universe is formed, or in this universe, how these planets are formed, how these planets are revolving around the sun in different orbits. Studying about that is called physics. And in the universe, why there are different forms of energy, like sound energy, light energy, heat energy, why we have different forms of energy. Studying about that is called physics. So studies about matter and energy. So next, matter. So what is matter? Matter is that which occupies space and which possesses mass. Means it should have some mass and it should occupy some space like this. So then it is called as a matter. So it can be a book, or it can be a chair, or it can be a glass or table, anything which occupies space and which has some mass is called matter. Next, what is energy? So energy cannot be seen, it could be felt only. So for example, you are listening some songs with the help of your this headphones. Can you see that song? Just you can feel the song. You can feel the song and you can tell the song is very nice, it's melodious, or it's a rap song, or it's a disco song. So like that, you can name the type of song, or you can feel the song, you can enjoy by listening the song, but you cannot see the song, because here sound, this sound is a form of energy which we can feel but not see, but cannot see. Or from the sun, heat energy. From the sun, heat energy will come. So it will come to the solar panel. The solar panel will convert heat energy to electricity. Heat energy to electricity, electrical energy. Because of that, charging will happen. So our battery, we can supply to battery. From that, we can send to one bulb, light bulb. So from here, light energy is coming out. This heat energy, electricity, or light energy, or battery chemical energy, all these are different forms of energies which we can just feel. Okay. So for example, electricity, light, sound, heat, etc. So energy means capacity of doing a work. Capacity of doing a work is called energy. So next, so physics is mainly classified into two types. One is matter, another one is energy. In matter, again we have mainly three forms: solids, liquids, gases, and one more state, plasma state also is there, which you can learn in your higher classes. Solid means the molecules are closely packed. It's a solid. The molecules are somewhat loosely packed. Liquid. If the molecules are very loosely packed, then it is a gas. So the molecular composition is different in three forms. So like that we have three kinds of matter. So energy means we have mechanical energy, means here the fan is rotating. So the rotating means it will be having mechanical energy. Light energy coming from sun. Sound energy. So in your house, if you plug one TV or music system here, so then from that you can listen sound energy, electrical energy. So here solar panel is there, the sunlight coming to solar panel, turning it into electrical energy. Because of that, all the fans and refrigerator are moving. Nuclear energy means which is used in making bombs or making or destroying atoms. For that purpose, we can make use of nuclear energy. Okay, like this we have different forms of energies. So branches of physics. So physics, it emerged as a separate science only in the 19th century. So until 19th century, the physicist was often also a mathematician, also a philosopher, also a chemist, biologist, engineer, artist. Like that, along with physics, he might be having grip on so many other subjects. But until 19th century, we use them to name them as mathematicians, philosophers, chemists, like that. But in 19th century, this physics emerged as a separate science, and from then onwards, we call that scientists who are studying about physics. We used to call them as physicists, like that. So today the field has grown, the physics field has grown to such an extent. For its systematic study, the subject is subdivided into various branches. So it became so vast that this one branch, physics branch, again subdivided into so many branches like mechanics, heat, thermodynamics, light, sound, electricity, magnetism, modern physics, electronics. Like that, so many branches of physics were evolved. There are some more few other branches like meteorology, astronomy, geophysics, biophysics, which you will learn in your higher classes. So physics in daily life. So the advancement in physics has enabled us to improve our daily life. So applications of physics has an impact almost every aspect of our daily life. Means the whatever discoveries they have made in physics, they have affected our everyday life in a great manner by inventing thousands of missions. So from the moment we wake up in the morning till we go to the bed at night, it is quite difficult to put them in a list. Put them in a list. Okay, from morning to night, we will be making use of so many different kinds of missions, which are the inventions of physics. So let's see some of them. So in health and medicine, so how we are using physics in health and medicine for taking X-rays. If while playing games, if you fell down, so you will be taken to the doctor. There he will take one X-ray. He will check your bones and he will tell. He will tell whether your hand is fractured or not. Sonography or CT scan, like this. Your body will go into one mission. Totally your body will be scanned in the mission. CT scan, or we can call it as MRI or MRI scan. These all words you can learn later, children. So the brain scanning can be done with CT scan or MRIs. So these are stethoscope for checking our heartbeat, for thermometer for checking our temperature, ECG, it is also heartbeat, like that. Like that, in medicine field, in health and medicine field, so many missions because of physics were invented, which were used by doctors. So with the help of these missions, they can diagnose disease. We are affected with what disease, and they can give proper treatment to us. Proper treatment to us. Or transport. So cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, mopeds, all these transport vehicles are invented, and the world is becoming smaller, reducing traveling time. Because of all these things, suppose with the aeroplane from Hyderabad to Bangalore, within 1 hour we can reach Bangalore. Means they are making the world smaller. They are making the traveling time very less, so that we can reach any part of the world in less time. Or communication, physics has invented telephones, telegraph. Previously there were telegraph for sending messages in the olden days. With the advancement of physics, they have invented telegraph, telephones, mobile phones, satellites, internet. Now we are able to see TV programs only because of the satellite. So digital cinema we are able to see because of the satellite. So in the field of communication also, physics has done a great job by inventing different kinds of machines. So household appliances and gadgets, electric bulbs, tubes, fans, refrigerator, like this, washing machines like this, geyser, heater. So all these things which were invented by physics, they are making our life comfortable. They are making our life comfortable. Next, energy production. Energy production. In the field of energy production, solar energy with the help of solar panels, wind energy with the help of wind vanes, tidal energy with the help of water because of dams, atomic energy with the help of this nuclear fission or fusion, atomic energy. So with all these techniques, with the advancement of all these machines, we are replacing conventional sources of energy. In the olden days, the energy was only fuel like kerosene or wood, kerosene, sunlight. They were the olden days traditional source of energy. Now we are replacing with them solar panels, wind vanes, nuclear energies like that. So in the field of energy production also, physics has invented so many types of missions, dress materials. So different types of fashionable, comfortable dresses are produced by the missions developed by the physicists and engineers. So leather jacket in winter, leather jacket, or during rainy season, raincoats, or during summer season, formal cotton shirts for attending meetings, suit for casual wear, t-shirts, or this sleeveless jackets, overcoats, raincoats, skirt, normal dress, polo shirt, nightgowns, shorts, like this. So many different types of fashionable, comfortable dresses are produced by the physicists. Next, in the field of entertainment also cinematography. With the help of video camera, we are shooting the cinema, radio, TV, video games, music systems, VCDs. These are all sources or missions developed by the physicists, like mics, camera. This is a TV channel van. So TV, television, laptop, headphones, mobile phone, joystick for playing games, remote for controlling TV. Like this, in the field of entertainment also, physics has developed so many different kinds of missions. So not only for that, even for scientific research, what is there in the sky, what is there behind the sun, or how many kinds of earth are there, how many kinds of planets are there like earth in our universe. This all we can search with the help of telescopes. With the help of telescopes, some crores, miles or kilometers, we can observe with the help of telescopes, and we can find out what is there in the universe, or we can find the secrets in the universe. Or with the help of microscope, we can observe viruses, bacteria, or even plants, parts of plants, what is there inside the flower, what is there inside the fruit. All we can find with the help of microscope. Means these are all developed with the principles of physics, and they are utilized for research in different branches of science. So these are microscope, telescope, mobile phone, satellite, washing machine, camera, music system, television, air conditioner, computer, MP3 player. These are all the inventions of science, especially physics, which will make our life comfortable, enjoyable, like that. Okay, children? Okay, children, what we have learned today? So we learned about physics and its scope, children. So physics means we study about matter and force. So physics, laws of physics related by mathematical relations. It studies about universe. It studies about energy. So matter means anything which occupies space, which possesses mass, like book, chair, table, glass. Energy means which cannot be seen, which can be only felt. Electricity, light, sound, heat. Energy can be defined as capacity of doing work. Physics mainly divided into two types, matter, energy. Matter means it is again divided into solids, liquid, gases. Energy means we have different forms of energy. Mechanical, light, sound, electrical, nuclear. So branches of physics. In the olden days, physics was used to combine with other subjects, mathematics, philosophy, chemistry, biology. But later, it was from 19th century, it was treated as separate science, and again it has grown, it has taken growth in such an extent that again they have divided physics into branches: mechanics, heat and thermodynamics, light, sound, electricity, like that. So in our daily life, from morning to until we go to bed, we are making use of so many different kinds of machines which were invented by the physicists and which are making our life comfortable. So in health and medicine, X-ray, sonography, CT scan, MRI, ECG, thermometer, different machines they have invented which are used to diagnose the diseases. Transport, car, bus, train, aeroplane, bike, so many vehicles are invented which will reduce the traveling time. So regarding communication field also, apart from telegraph, telephone is invented, next mobile phone is invented, satellite, internet is invented. Household appliances, washing machines, geyser, heater, refrigerator, fans, tubes, invented. Energy production, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, atomic energy, different forms of energy which are called conventional source of energy, means which will replace olden days traditional source of energy, because this wood, coal, after some days they will become exhausted, their reserves will be completed, so we have to search for new source of energy always. Dress materials, different kinds of dress materials for design which are suitable for different seasons or different occasions. Entertainment, so many machines are invented like TV, radio, cinematography, video games to give us entertainment. So still, for researching what is there in the universe about macro elements which are very big or which are at larger distances, micro which are microscopic, very small, we cannot see with our naked eye. For observing that micro objects also, they have invented telescope, microscope and other instruments to identify the principles of physics. And they are doing so much research in different branches of science. Okay, children, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.